Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word reasonably. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She was able to complete the project reasonably quickly thanks to her exceptional organizational skills. Reasonably, in this context, means within acceptable limits or fairly, indicating that the completion of the project was achieved in a satisfactory amount of time. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.